Welcome to another video, and we're here in beautiful Kidsgrove, Clough Park, Saturday the 4th of November 2023, and we're here to see the spectacular fireworks. Been invited by John, Monumental Fireworks, front row seats. We've got a beautiful bonfire here, and there is a lot of people here tonight. Beautiful evening. It's been raining most of the day, but it's turned out to be pretty clear skies. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Enjoy the fireworks here at Clough tonight. So the fireworks are at 7:30 tonight. Should be for about 15 minutes, and they should be pretty awesome. We've just seen the fireworks from Monumental Fireworks at All Sage at 6:30. Those were absolutely spectacular. And there's the bonfire here at Clough Park. Guess that's been pretty difficult to light with it being so wet recently. And as you can see, there is a lot of people here tonight, all having fun at Clough. And the fire's really getting going again now. Certainly feel the heat off it from here. So it's actually quite a mild night. It has been quite damp most of the day. Pretty mild now. Got about 5 minutes to go and just check out the bonfire now. Absolutely awesome. Got to be probably one of the best that we've seen here at Clough for a while. Certainly feel the heat now. Check out the crowd again. So if you're watching this video, see if you can see yourself here in Kidsgrove tonight. And there is a lot of people. There's Glenn doing the filming tonight. Great turnout tonight here in Kidsgrove. A little bit of information for you. Guess how many pallets are actually burning there? 100? No. 200? No. 300? I think we can double that. 600 pallets are burning tonight here at Clough Park. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. We are about 3 minutes for firing, and these fireworks, I say, tonight are going to be spectacular. Certainly feel the heat from the bonfire tonight. 600 pallets, it's amazing. Just feel a spot of rain coming on. Hopefully it's going to stop enough for the display there. Bonfire's still going really well, and as you can see, absolutely packed full of people here in Clough tonight. Okay, we've got arrival of John, Monumental Fireworks, getting ready for this spectacular event. We've got a new time, 7:45 p.m. for the fireworks. He's all ready. Okay, here we go, guys. Whoa! That was really cool with John there, just telling me to get ready with the camera and the push of the button, and there he goes. Beautiful. Absolutely spectacular. Hope you're all enjoying the fireworks, guys. These are amazing. And what a beautiful night. Well, a few spots of rain, but nothing serious at the moment. We can see the main man there, John, Monumental Fireworks. He's in control of all the fireworks tonight. And how spectacular are these? Really love the colours there. Fabulous. Wow. Imagine all the hard work on this. I bet the guys have been on this since 8 o'clock this morning. And all done, all fired electronically. Imagine remember the days when they used to have to fire these manually and light them. So Monumental Fireworks, a little bit more about them. They've actually got a shop here in Kidsgrove, based in Kidsgrove. And how awesome is their display. Gone over there, got a complete passion for fireworks. He absolutely loves it. Imagine the amount of firework displays over the country tonight. 5th of November is actually tomorrow then, so there'll be a lot more displays tonight. Some really nice displays just over where the fireworks start from there. Another view there of John controlling the fabulous fireworks here at Clough tonight. How awesome are them? They are absolutely beautiful. So we're filming this tonight on the iPhone 15 Pro Max HD. Make sure you check out glimpse footage that's using the new Osmo Pocket 3 on a low light. Let us know in the comments which is the best, whether it's the iPhone or the Osmo Pocket. These are going pretty high. coming into about 13 minutes in, so another 2 minutes we're going to get that amazing finale by Monumental fireworks. Wow, absolutely spectacular. Absolutely beautiful. And there we go, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the spectacular footage today here at Clough. Thanks to John, Monumental Fireworks. It's been absolutely fabulous. If you enjoyed tonight's video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and of course subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys soon.